Hello everybody, this is just a short video of my experience travelling by train from Kampot to Sihanoukville and then booking and jumping on a ferry over to Koh Rong for a few days. I hope you enjoy. Just arrived at the train station, waiting for my train to go to Sihanoukville. Everywhere is really busy today because it's a national holiday. So I'm struggling to find an ATM to get any money, and evidently on the islands there are no ATMs. So I'm just here at the train station waiting for the train. So when I arrive in Sihanoukville, I think that's how you say it, I'll have to find an ATM to get some money before I head off to the island. The train was scheduled to leave at 10:40 a.m. and it's now just gone 11 o'clock and there's no sign of a train yet. But a lot of people did say that it's often running 30 minutes late, so we'll wait and see. Someone's just brought out a couple of steps just there. Here we go, exactly half an hour late. Here comes the train. Everybody's crowding round to try and get on, but they got to let the passengers off first. Nobody wants to give. So I'm on the train and it's really comfortable. My seat number on my ticket was A31 and I got on and they went, yeah, you don't take any notice of what seat you've been assigned, you just sit anywhere. So it's all good, but it looks like a very comfortable train and hopefully I'll be able to sit and watch a movie because I think it takes 2 hours. So I've caught a tuk-tuk which cost around 5,000 riel down to the tourism pier, and down here they have got 24-hour ATMs. Got a whole lot of shops and toilets, there's places to buy the ferry tickets, and I'm stood right now outside a 7-Eleven. Just bought my ticket from here. I bought a return ticket as it was $14 for one way or $25 for return, and when you return you can head back from any island at any time. You just have to let them know. So I got the return ticket. Yay! I've got about an hour before my ferry goes, so that's good. I have been asked 3 times so far where my luggage is, and when I said it's just this, they looked at me as if I was absolutely nuts. I do have this bag too, but in there I've just got some snacks that I've just picked up, and my snorkeling mask as well, which is wrapped in my sarong. So actually there's not very much in there, it's just that I didn't want to hang my mask off the outside of this bag in case it got bashed or knocks or something. So yeah, I am finding travelling like this very good so far, and I haven't missed anything from my larger bag. So I'm just sat here waiting now for my ferry. I just hope it's not a bumpy ride, but I'm really looking forward to getting onto the island and spending some time over there. I have no idea which boat it is, whether it's that little one there or whether it's this one here. I'm exhausted, just got on the boat. It's running at least, I would say, half an hour late. We were due to leave at 3, but it's going to be 3:30 before we leave. It's been a really long day. I can't wait to get there. I just need to sit down, maybe have a swim, maybe have a cold drink. I've arrived on Koh Rong. It is definitely a bit of a party place by the looks of things, but I'm so glad to be here. I'm so happy to be back on a beach. I've just been to ask about doing some diving. I really want to do a dive. We'll see. First night on the island. I'm walking home. Why did I ever book this place that's up the steepest hill ever, and after 2 Long Island iced teas I have to walk up here to get home? Oh boy, give me strength. Tomorrow's another day, hey? Next time I might choose my accommodation more wisely. Oh my word. I am shattered. And here is home.